Hey, y'all. Hey, y'all. This is your girl, Tony. You're in my kitchen today. Welcome to my kitchen. I'm actually getting ready to make some easy Rotel dip for y'all. I guess I put it that way. I'm using it in the crock pot, of course, because I have other stuff to do, so I have to go ahead and put it on, and it cooks while I'm, of course, doing what I need to do. So, what I'm using, my partner had already bought some. We had her in the kitchen. It's the Velveeta. It's the Queso Blanco. That's the kind that he wanted. And it's just one brick. Then I have Fire Rosted diced tomatoes. I have 2 cans of this. And it's Rotel, but you can get any brand. That's the brand that he wanted, but you can get any brand. And he has the jalapeno peppers. He has the Walmart brand, but it's like a small can of jalapeno peppers. And it said it's spicy, it's hot. So that means I won't be able to have a lot of this. I don't like hot stuff, y'all. But it really depends on the spice. I don't like a lot of hot stuff, I guess I put it that way, but it depends on the spice. And before I get started into making this Rotel dip, this easy Rotel dip, in the crock pot, make sure that you like, subscribe to my channel, then click that notification bell to receive all the videos that I upload, y'all. But like I said, let's go ahead and get on into this. This is going to be quick. And again, I'm Janetta Clay, so make sure y'all subscribing to my channel. What? Make sure y'all subscribe to my channel. All right now. So like I said, let me go ahead and get into this. And like I said, this is definitely very easy. The ingredients I just showed you, I will put them into the description of the video as well. But like I said, this is a recipe for any busy family. And of course, you can let this cook for about an hour to 2 hours on low. That's where I'm going to put it on, so it'll be ready by the time they get home. So let's go ahead and get on into this. And right now, you probably see my cheese. I'm going to be cutting up, just cutting some blocks of cheese off, y'all. That's all. And I've already, of course, washed my hands. You all didn't see that part. I probably should have showed y'all that part, but that's okay. And I'm just putting it into the crock pot. And I'll show y'all that part in the crock pot shortly, too. So y'all can see what's going on. But like I said, there's no rhyme or reason for this. You just throw it on into the crock pot. And like I said, let it cook. And you can also put, if your crock pot, this crock pot I'm using today is a smaller crock pot. It's a small one that I got, but you can use a big one and put 2, 3, 4 bricks of cheese in there if you want. Depends on how much your thing will hold. But just keep in mind that for every block of cheese, you want to make sure you have at least 1 to 2 cans of Rotel. And do not pour out the juice. Use the juice in there as well. Because otherwise your Rotel will come out very clumpy and gummy like mine did the first few times I made this. I was like, what in the world is going on? But you got to keep that juice in the can. Keep that, just pour the whole can in the crock pot. Don't try to pour out the juice. I did that. Like I said, I messed up my whole entire Rotel dip. The first few times, actually. I think twice I messed it up. But after that, somebody told me do not pour out that juice. So I thought it was going to be runny and gummy and crazy. But that's the part that actually makes it like it's supposed to be. So it's supposed to be a dip. So like I said, this is easy. And like I said, there is not much to it. I know folks have different ways of making this in the oven or on the stove, the microwave. Like I said, I use my crock pot because I don't want to be sitting here trying to look over the stove and do all that. I just want to go ahead and get this done and get it on out the way. So let me move this on down, y'all. Like I said, that's how it looks. That's my the actual brick pieces of cheese in there. As you can see, there's no rhyme or reason. They're just cut up whatever size. They're in there. That's how that's going to go. And like I said, you pour your Rotel cans over the cheese, y'all. Always put it on top, but you can put it on the bottom if you would like. But I put it on top, y'all. Or you can put one on top, one on the bottom. It depends on what you want. Like I said, it all comes out the same way usually. I've never had any issues whether it was on top or on the bottom. We all know that once this is cooking, you still have to stir it. So that's the main thing. That is the main thing, y'all. Alrighty, and like I said, I'll be going into getting busy with some other stuff here shortly. So, like I said, this is going to cook while I'm doing what I need to do. And like I said, these are hot. I know they're hot. And I'm not a big hot eater like that when it comes to stuff, but I'm hoping that the cheese and the Rotel stuff will kind of cut it down some. I'm hoping to not burn me to death. Burn my mouth on my other side to death. I'll put it that way. So like I said, y'all, let me get something to put. I need to put this knife down. don't never set it on the counter. That's just me. But like I said, y'all, that's the crock pot meal. That's what we're eating today. I'm not sure yet with chips or what it's going to be, but that's going to be the meal for today. So, like I said, that's easy crock pot Rotel. And I'll come back once this is done. I'll come back and show y'all the finished product. So like I said, peace out, y'all. I'll see y'all in about an hour and a half, 2 hours. Peace out. Hey, y'all. This is your girl, Tony. I'm back. Welcome back to my kitchen. And this is the easy Rotel in the crock pot recipe. And like I said, definitely it is done. So on around for y'all so y'all can check it out and see what it looks like. There it is, y'all. Like I said, the Rotel is done. Like I said, it's easy peasy. And this, I actually had to turn it on high, and I cooked it for an hour and a half instead of low. So just keep in mind that I know I said low earlier, but definitely cut it on half if you need it done right away. If not, you can put it on low and let it cook for about 2 to 3 hours. But like I said, it looks awesome, y'all. Check out that Rotel. It looks good, y'all. Like I said, this is part of our dinner tonight. We're going to be putting this on top of some waffle fries. So like I said, y'all, this was easy peasy. Holding a spoon, look at that, y'all. Easy peasy, easy peasy. So I want to thank y'all again. Like I said, if y'all make this recipe, let me know. Put it down in the comments. And of course, like I said, make sure y'all are subscribing to my channel. Peace out, y'all. Have a good one.